Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to sell services on Wix. Are you ready to sell your services online? Wix makes it incredibly easy to showcase your offerings and connect with clients. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about selling services on Wix, step by step. Uh, First of all, set up your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once signed in, click Create New Site. Wix will guide you through selecting a template, but don't worry, you can fully customize it later. If you are selling services, look for templates under categories like business, consulting, or coaching. Choose one that fits your style. Once your template loads, it's time to add a section specially for your services. In the editor, click Add, then Section to Page, and select Services. You will see several pre-designed layouts to showcase your offerings. Now, click on the service section to customize it. You can edit the title, description, and image for each service. Be specific about what's included, pricing, and the benefits clients will receive. Use high quality images that represent your services. Now, want clients to book directly from your site? At the Wix booking app. For this, go to the Wix app market, then search for Wix bookings and click Add to Site. This tool lets you manage appointments, set availability, and send reminders to clients. Within Wix bookings, you can create individual or group services. For each service, set the duration, price, and available time slots. Don't forget to connect your calendar to avoid double bookings. Now, add payment options. To get paid, you need to enable payments on your site. Go to the Settings tab and click Accept Payments. Wix allows you to connect payment method like PayPal, Stripe, and um, credit cards. Select the payment options you want to offer and follow the prompts to connect your account. This ensures a smooth checkout experience for your clients. Your site should guide visitors toward booking your services. On your homepage, include clear call to action buttons like Book Now or Learn More. Use testimonials or reviews to build trust. Add a contact form to make it easy for clients to ask questions. Go to Add, then Contact Form. and customize it with relevant fields. Before going live, preview your site to ensure everything works smoothly. Test booking a service, submitting a form, and completing a payment to check for any issues. Once you are satisfied, click publish to make your site live. Share it with your audience through social media, email newsletters, or online ads. After launch, you can manage everything from the Wix dashboard, view appointments, send follow ups, and track payments easily. Wix also lets you create automated email reminders to keep client engaged. And that's it. Wix. And that's it. With and that's it. With Wix, selling your services has never been easier. From setting up a professional site to managing bookings and payments, Wix has all the tools you need to grow your business online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Wix site.